You want to say hi?
Hi, honey.
To my camera? Yeah?
Hi.
Okay. Oh boy. Can you, like, conceive of how far up we are here, audience? I don't think you can. Considering how afraid I am of heights. It's pretty fucking phenomenal. Here we go. And then, if I was really feeling masochistic, I could take this ladder here and go up, I guess, to the top, but considering how hard my heart is pounding right now, that's not happening. So, I'm going to attempt to climb back down. Jesus Christ. You know what really doesn't need to be up here is wind. No, it does not. Okay.